Hello guys, a warm welcome to the next session of data visualization with R programming. In the first session, we have seen what is the data visualization, what is the importance of data visualization, what are the application of data visualization, yeah, what are the benefits of the data visualization, and we also have seen the basic types of plot, yeah, in the previous session. Am I right? So I hope you understand all that concept, yeah. Now in this session, we are going to start with one of the most important topic, that is a data visualization with ggplot2 package in R programming. Okay. Now let me show you what you are going to learn in this session. See here, the first thing we are going to start is what is a ggplot2 package. Okay, what is a ggplot2? And then we are going to proceed with the next topic, that is plotting with ggplot2. Okay, and then building your plot iteratively. Okay, and then we will see univariate distribution and bar plot. Univariate distribution and bar plot, and then annotation with ggplot2. Okay, and then axis manipulation, and finally the density plot. Okay, so we are going to cover all these topics with the theoretical concept as well as the implementation of each of these topic with the help of R programming in R Studio. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, that is what is a ggplot2. So let me show you that. ggplot2 is a data visualization package for the statistical programming language R, created by the Hadley Wickham in 2005. ggplot2 is a usage of Leland Wilkinson's Grammar of Graphics, a general plan for data visualization which split up diagram into semantic segments, for example, scales and layers. ggplot2 can fill in as a substitution for the base design in R and contain the various defaults for a web and print show of a normal scales. Since 2005, ggplot2 has become being used to get one of the most well-known R package. Okay, ggplot2 is one of the most modern package in R for data visualization, and it makes the most exquisite and flexible print quality plot with negligible alterations. It is exceptionally easy to make a single and multivariate diagram with the assistance of the ggplot2 package. Got it? The ggplot2 package in R depends on the grammar of graphics, which is a set of rules for depicting and building the diagram. By separating the diagram into the semantic segment, for example, scales and layer, ggplot2 execute the grammar of graphics. ggplot2 is most widely used data visualization package of the R programming language. Got it? So I hope you have now understand ggplot2 package. Yeah, I hope you understand what is a ggplot2 package. So you can say it is one of the most widely used data visualization package in R programming. Okay, and it is depend on the grammar of the graphics. Okay, and it was created by Hadley Wickham in the year 2005. Got it? Now let's start with the next thing, plotting with ggplot2. Okay, ggplot2 function like the data in long format, that is a column for a dimension and a row for every observation. Well structured data will save you lots of time when making the figures with ggplot2. Okay, so well structured data will save you a lot of time when making figure with ggplot2. Okay, ggplot graphics are built step by adding the new elements. Adding the layers in this fashion allows for extensive flexibility and customization of the plot. Got it? So in order to start with plotting with ggplot2, first of all, we need to install the ggplot2 package. And then we start by loading the required package. Okay, one note I would like to mention it here that ggplot2 is a part of collection of tdverse package. Okay, so I hope you know that how to install the package. Yeah, with the help of install.packages, inside that you need to mention the name of the package ggplot2 and then library in order to load the package so that we can use it in our program. Okay, so once you install it, once you load it, then we can start the functions which is available inside a ggplot2 package. Okay, now what is the next thing? The three basic components to build a ggplot are as follows. Okay, there are three important components. First thing is data. Nothing but data set to be plotted. Okay, what type of data or what is the data set you want to be plotted with the help of ggplot. Okay, and then aesthetics. Aesthetic is nothing but mapping of data to visualization. Mapping of data to visualization. And then next thing is geometry or layers. Visual elements used for the data. Okay. So see here, the basic syntax of a ggplot is given below. Okay. So ggplot is one of the function available in ggplot2 package. Okay. So in order to start with creating the plot, okay, in order to create a plot with the help of ggplot2 package, we need to use ggplot function. So the basic syntax for a ggplot function is as follows. You can see that I highlighted here in a red color. So you need to use the function ggplot. Inside that you need to write data is equal to whatever the data you want to use. Data is equal to whatever the data. And then the mapping is equal to AES. Okay, aesthetics plus geom underscore function. Okay, see, this is just a syntax so that you should come to know how can you use ggplot function. Okay, and by the way, don't get confused here because we are going to see how can you exactly use this function to create a plot. Okay, so just remember inside the ggplot you need to first of all pass the data and then the mapping is equal to aesthetics. Okay, and plus geom function. Okay, so see here, the first thing is we need to have a data. Can you see that inside a ggplot we need to have a data, we need to supply the data. So from where we can load the data. So let me show you. You can download the data from here, from this one. Actually I have the file, okay, a csv file. Okay, but even if you want to download from the link, so this is a link from where you can download the data. Okay, and before downloading this data you need to create a folder data underscore output in your working directory, then download with this. Can you see this one? Download with this code. Yeah, otherwise if you want to know what type of data I am using, okay, so I will share with you the csv file for this data. Okay, so currently, let's suppose if you would like to think like how can you download the data from the internet. So there is a one function download that file. Can you see this one? If you would like to download a data set, okay, a CSV file from the internet, it's very easy. You need to use the function download that file. Inside that you need to specify the link for that. Okay, the link of the CSV file, comma, you need to specify this one data underscore output. What is this data underscore output? Data underscore output is one of the folder you need to create inside your current working directory of the R. Okay, and what is this? ms underscore country underscore stops.csv, and this is the name of the file that you want to give to your downloaded file. Got it? So with the help of this function download that file, inside that you first of all need to specify the link. Okay, and then you need to specify where you want to save. So see here, create a folder data underscore output in your current working directory and then download with this one. Download with this function download.file. Got it? So first of all, before going to use this function, go to your current working directory, create a folder that data underscore output. Okay, once you create it, then you can copy this code. Got it? Yeah. So with the help of download that file, you can easily able to download the data from internet. Got it? Now next thing is you can also read the data from here using the read.csv function. So see here, this is the link. Both these links are same. Okay. http://bit.ly. Okay, and then /ms underscore country underscore stops. Both the links are same. But let's suppose if you would like to read the data or load the data into R with the help of read.csv function, then it also possible for you because we have the function read.csv. Okay, so how can you use it? Just write read.csv function, and then inside this function, inside opening closing bracket, you need to specify the link of the data or the CSV file in double quotation. Can you see this one? And the result of this is you are assigning to a this file. You can say it's the name of the file. Okay, so whatever the data is there in this link, it is going to be stored. Okay, it is going to be read with the help of read.csv function. It is going to be stored in the ms underscore country underscore stuffs 10. Okay, this is the yeah, got it. So you are assigning all the data to this one, ms underscore country underscore stops 10. Okay, so you can say it's also a CSV file. Okay, because the data which is present here is belongs to CSV file. Even if you want to go to this link, you can go to this link and verify it. Got it? Now it's up to you how you want to load the data. How you want to load the data into the R. So first thing is with the help of download that file. Okay, so with the help of download that file, first of all, you need to specify the link to your data set, and then you need to specify data underscore export and then name of the file. So here the name of the file we are going to use for the plotting of with ggplot2 is the ms underscore country underscore stops.csv. Let's suppose if you don't want to go with this one, if you want to go with read.csv function, so as it is up to you. Use the read.csv function and then inside double quotation specify the link for that, and the result of this, it is going to be stored into the file ms underscore country underscore stops 10. It's up to you. Got it? Now, so the first thing is we need to load the data into R. So finally, with the help of these two, we can load the data into the R. Okay. Next thing is, let's take a look at the data. Let's take a look at the data. So head, what is this head? I hope you know that. Head is going to show you initial 6 observation of your data frame, or you can say of your CSV file. Okay. And then str, that is the structure of the data, and then view, if you want to view the all the data of the file. Okay. ggplot graphics are built step by step by adding the new elements, that is nothing but the layers, using the plus sign. Using the plus sign. Okay. So see here, first of all, before going to proceed with build a ggplot, what you need to do before going to start this topic, let me show you. Let me open the R Studio. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, all the things that we studied till now. So the first thing we study is that installing of ggplot2 package, loading it, and then downloading the data with the help of download.file function. Okay, and with the help of read.csv, you can also do the same thing. Okay, so let me show you. Since in my case, I already have installed the ggplot2 package, so I will start execution of this code by executing line number 2. Can you see that line number 2 has executed successfully? It is executed successfully because in my system, I already have installed ggplot2 package. Got it? Now let me show you how can you download the file from the internet. So we have the function download.file. Okay. And inside that, you need to specify the link of the data. So this is the link of my data. Okay. After that, what I need to specify, comma, I need to specify data underscore output oblique ms underscore county underscore stuffs1.csv. Okay. So this is the file I'm creating into this folder, data underscore output. Got it? And actually it's a very long URL. Can you see it's very longer? So if you don't want to go with the longer URL, so there is a one shortened URL that I shown you here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. If you want to copy it here, you can also copy it. It's your choice. Okay. Now let me execute line number 4. So what happened here? Okay. So see here, what is happening here? Error in download file because cannot open destination file. Data underscore file ms underscore stop one CSV. Reason permission denied. What is the reason permission denied? So what I will do here, let me assign it some other name. So if I assign 11, so let me again execute it, line number 4. Yeah, can you see that? My code has been executed now, and you can see that download 4154 bytes. Okay, and the result, yeah, what is the name of the file I have created here? See, from this link, I copied all the data into a CSV file. And what is the name of my file? ms underscore county underscore stops11.csv. Stop11.csv. So now, if you want to see this one, if you want to see that, what I will do, I will just write it here, the same thing. Focus on line number 5. Okay, we have executed line number 4. Now, if you want to check the data, so what is the name of the file we have created here? ms underscore county underscore stops 11. So stops 11. Now let me execute line number 5. Okay, so what happened here? Object ms county stops 11 not found. Okay, so what you need to do here? Let's check it. Go to your folder. Okay, what is the folder name here? Data underscore output. Inside this folder, into check ms underscore county underscore stops 11. This one, this file. So I will go to my current working directory. Okay, and inside this current working directory, I have created this folder, data underscore folder. Can you see this one? ms underscore county underscore stops 11. Now let me open it. Yeah, got it. Can you see the data? Yeah, can you see this? County name, female, male. Got it. Yes. Now, if you have the CSV file, yeah, in your system, then I hope you know that how can you read the data with the help of read.csv function. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah, you just need to specify, you just need to use read.csv function. Inside that, you need to specify the path. What is the path here? Data underscore output oblique ms, the name of this file. Got it? Yes, got it? So I hope once you got the data, I hope you know that how can you read it. Now next thing is, we have seen how can you create a CSV file with the help of, how can you download the CSV file from the internet with the help of download.file and where this file is created. Yeah, we have seen that. Now let's use read.csv function. It's very easy. If you want to read the CSV file data from the internet, so or if you want to read the data set from the internet, so you can read it with the help of read.csv function. Inside that, you just need to specify the link. So this is the, okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, read.csv. Inside that, you need to specify the link. This is the link to my data. Yeah, this is the link where I can find the data. Okay, so with the help of read.csv function, can you see as per our theory, we just need to use read.csv. Inside that, into specify the link. Okay, the link about from where you can read the data. Okay, so see here, I specified that, and then the result of this, I'm storing it in a ms underscore county underscore stops 10. Okay, so whatever the data is going to read with the help of read.csv function, all it is going to be stored inside ms underscore county underscore stops 10. Okay, so let me execute line number 10 and let's see the data, line number 11. Now, can you see this one? See, there are total 82 observation in our file. Yes, and there are 1, 2, 3 columns with 82 observation. Now let's check it. See here, ms. This is our file that we have created with the help of download.file. Okay. So can you see that there are 3 columns with 82 observation? Got it? Yes, got it. What is the last one here? Yeah, Yazoo County. Can you see this one? Last one, Yazoo County. So check it here. Yeah. Can you see this one? Yazoo County. So same data we have loaded with the help of download.file function and read.csv function. Now let's suppose if you want to read this file. So I told you that once you download it, so how can you read it? With the help of read.csv function, you just need to specify the path. So what is the path for this one? Can you see this one? Data underscore output. You need to specify the same to same here. Data underscore output. And what is the name of this one? Date 11. Yeah. And the result of this one, it is going to be assigned to MS County stops. So let me execute line number 7 and line number 8. So remember, it should be same to same. Yeah, with this one. Can you see this? 82 Yazoo County. Got it? This means ms underscore county underscore stops is nothing but ms underscore county underscore stops 10. Yeah, got it. So I hope you understand now how can you install the package, how can you load the package with the help of download.file, how can you download the file and store it in the specified folder. Okay, and then how can you read the data from that folder with the help of this function. Okay, and then with the help of read.csv file, how can you read the data from the internet and assign it to the variable, you can say, or you can say it's also a file, because once you execute this, can you see this one, the output for this one? Yeah, if you execute this one, ms underscore county underscore stops 10, what is output? You're getting all the output. Okay, this is output for this one. So all the data which is present inside this line, it is going to read with the help of read.csv function, and then it is going to be stored inside this file. Got it? Yes. Now next thing is look at the data. So if you write head of the name of the data, what is this data our? The name of our data is this one, either this one or either this one, your choice. So let's use this one, ms underscore county underscore stops. So what is the head of this one? It is going to show you initial 6 observations. So let me execute line number 14. Can you see that initial 6 observation of our data? This one, yeah, with the 3 columns, county name, female and male. Okay. Now, what is the str? Str is nothing but it is going to show the structure of our data. So let me execute line number 15. Can you see that our data frame? Okay, it is belong to data frame. It contains 82 observation of 3 variables. Is it correct? So let me show you here. Yeah, is it 82 observation? See, it's counting the name of the column also. So don't count from here. So the first county name is Adams colon county. Second one is Elkhorn county. Third one is Emite county. Likewise, it is going to continue till 82 observation. Got it? With 3 variables. Yeah, got it? So I hope you understand how to look at the initial 6 observation from our data, how to find the structure of the data. Now next thing, if you want to view all the data, so you need to execute this line number 16. So what is this view? Right, view inside that specify the name of the data. So here, what is the name of data we are using? ms underscore county underscore stops. So let me execute line number 16. Now focus how it is working. Okay. Can you see that a new tab has opened here? ms underscore county underscore stops. Can you see this one? Adam County, Elkhorn County, Emite County. Can you see this one? Yeah. This is start with the 1, 2, 3. Till how many observation are there? 82 observation. So check it here. Yeah. 82 observation. Yazoo County. Got it? Yes. I hope you understand now. Yes. Now let's see building the plot iteratively. So let me open it. So till now we have seen how to load the data. Okay, once we have the data, okay, loaded into our R, then we can start using that data in order to start plotting with ggplot. Okay, so see here, to build a ggplot, we need to do something. We need to perform some steps. Okay, so see here, the first thing is to build a plot. we need to perform, first thing is bind the plot to a specific data frame using data argument. Okay, what is the first thing we need to do? Yeah, to build a ggplot, the first thing we need to do is to bind the plot to a specific data frame using the data argument. So see here, what is the syntax? If you remember, what is the syntax of ggplot? Ggplot, inside that, the first thing is data is equal to what is the data you want to use. So in our case, we want to use the data of ms underscore conti underscore stops. Got it? So hence, with the help of ggplot, inside that data is equal to this one, ms underscore conti dot conti underscore stops. We bind the plot to a specific data frame. Okay, with the help of data argument. Got it? In short, you can say in ggplot, we want to use the data about this file, ms underscore conti underscore stops. Got it? Next thing is define the aesthetics by selecting the variable to be plotted and the variable to define the presentation, such as plotting size, shape, color, etc. So see here, inside a function ggplot, first thing is you need to have the data, what type of data, what data you want to use. Data is equal to this one, this file of the data present inside this one we want to use, comma, aesthetics, AES. So aesthetic is nothing but what you want to plot on x-axis and what you want to plot, what the data you want to plot on y-axis. Are you getting it? So see here, what I'm doing here, aesthetic x is equal to female. So this means, can you see in our, if you observe in our data frame, we have total 3 columns. Yeah, what is the first one? County. Next one is, see here, first one is county name. Next one is female, and then next one is male. There are 3 columns. So I want to have the data about the female on x-axis. See here. So I need to specify x is equal to female. That is the name of the column. And I want to have the data, okay, whatever the numeric data of the column y, of the column male. See here. What is the next column? Male. So I want to have all this data, all this numeric value of the column male on the y-axis, on the y-axis. So I will specify x is equal to y is equal to male. So in short, you can say that aesthetic, inside that aesthetics, you need to specify what variables or what columns value you want to be plotted on x-axis and y-axis. So since we have female and male columns, so what I'm doing here, x is equal to female. This means I want to plot the data of female column on x-axis and I want to plot the data of a male column on y-axis. And remember, this female and male, both this data is present inside this data. Yeah, got it? Okay, now let's see the next thing. To build a ggplot, we need to, now let's see the third step, add geomes. What is this geome? A graphical representation of a data in the plot, points, lines, or bar. To add a geome to the plot, use plus operator. We need to use plus operator. So see here, ggplot function. Inside that, we need to specify what data you want to use, and then the aesthetics is equal to on x-axis what columns data you want to have, and y-axis what columns data you want to plot. Okay, and then plus geom point. Okay, geom underscore point. This means you want to have only the point on our plot. Got it? Now let me show you all these things. Till now we have seen, yeah, loading the data. Till now we have seen how can you load the data. Am I right? So we have seen the head that gives the initial 6 observation of our data. Okay, and then str and then view. Now let's start with the ggplot. So ggplot, the first thing is we need to bind the data. So we just need to specify data is equal to ms underscore conti. That is this data we want to use. Yeah, am I right? This one, same. That is nothing but bind the plot to the specific data frame. It is going to bind the plot to the specific data frame. So let me execute this line number 19. Okay. So hold a second, it's executing. Okay, yeah. execution is over now. Now next thing is I need to, as per the syntax of ggplot function, I need to have data plus aesthetic inside that. So I will use a ggplot function and then data is equal to this one. Okay. This data contain total 3 columns. County, yeah. What is the first one is county name, next one is female column, and the third one is male column. Yes. Now aesthetics. Can you see this one? AES. Inside that X is equal to female. This means you want to plot the data of a female column on x-axis and the data, that is the numeric data of a male column or male variable on y-axis. Got it? Now let me execute line number 20 and let's see the plot here. Okay, it's executing. Okay, hold on. Yeah, can you see the plot now? Can you see the plot now? Yes. Currently we have not added the geom. So currently you just can see that. Okay, we have used aesthetics x female y male y is equal to male. So can you see that on y-axis we have the data about the female column, and on y-axis we are going to see the data about male column. Okay. Now let me add geom points. What is this geom point? To build a ggplot, we need to add the geom points. Okay, so you just need to write all these things. Ggplot, inside that data specify the data frame and then aesthetics and then plus geom point. Okay, so if I execute this line, focus on the plot, how it is going to come. Let me execute line number 22. Can you see the data? Can you see the point? Now can you tell me how many points will be this? Let me zoom it. Yeah, can you tell me how many points are there? Since we have the file with total 82 observations, obviously there should be 82 points. Yeah. Now, based on the coordinate of x and y, okay, based on the x and y coordinate is going to create a point. For example, see this one. It look like on x-axis, on for a female column, there is a one value 29, and in case of a male column, there should be I think 31 value. Now let us verify it. Okay, go to the data. So this is our data. So what is the value? 29 in case of a female. Yeah, can you see this one? Okay, the female column we have drawn on x-axis. So what is the coordinate will be 29.54545, comma 30.57. So can you see this point? Yeah, 29 and 30, in short you can say 29 on x-axis and 30 on y-axis. Got it? In the same way, it is going to create all the other plots. Okay, if you think about what is the highest one it look like? Almost 40. Now let's verify it. In case of this one. In case of a male, the look like the highest value is almost 40. Yeah, see this one. If the female value is 37, if the variable female, okay, the x point for that is 37 and y point for this one is 40. So what will be the coordinate here? 37 comma 40. Okay, 37 comma 40. So where can you see this point? 37 comma 40. So see here. Yeah, can you see this one? 37. It should be exactly in between 36 and 38. So 37 comma 40. Can you see this one? Yes. Got it? Yeah, can you see that one? So don't get confused. Yeah, so I hope you understand now. So what is the value? 37 point? Yeah, actually 37.39, 40.54. So see here, 37 point, yeah, see here, yeah, 37.39, 40.5, or just consider 37.4 or 40.5. So see here, 37.4 should be almost here, and then 40.4. Yeah, so this one look like this one, this plot. Got it? Yes. So I hope you understand now. Yes. So till now we have seen, to build a ggplot, we need to first of all bind the plot to a specific data frame and then define the aesthetics. Okay, by selecting the variable to be plotted on axis and y-axis, and then we need to add the geoms. Nothing but a graphical representation of the data in the plot. Got it? Yeah. Now let's proceed to the next topic, that is, to build a ggplot, we need to see here. We need to use the plus in the ggplot package is particularly useful to because it allows you to modify existing ggplot. Okay. See the plus symbol, this one in ggplot2 package is particularly useful because it allows you to modify existing ggplot object. This means you can easily set up the plot templates. This means you can easily set up the plot template and conveniently explore the different types of plot. So the above plot can also be generated with the code like this. Now focus here. Assign a plot to a variable. So see here, we have used this plot, ggplot data is equal to this data we want to use, and then the aesthetics. Okay, so we have assigned this ggplot function, all the data of this, to a variable ms underscore plot. Okay, and then if all the data, okay, this function we have assigned to this one, then we can write ms underscore plot plus geom point to draw the plot. Got it? So it's very easy. Let me show you how here. See here. So by executing line number 21, you can see this plot. Am I right? Yeah, this one. Okay, now next thing is, if you want to assign this whole code to a one variable, so that you don't need to write this code again. If you want to assign this ggplot function, whatever you return inside it, okay, so you can assign it. Okay, so what I'm doing here, if you focus this one, I have copied this one here. ggplot data is equal to ms underscore quantity underscore stop, and then the aesthetics x is equal to female, y is equal to male. I have assigned this ggplot to a variable ms underscore plot. Then I can easily use ms underscore plot with geom point. Okay, to create a point. Now let me execute line number 23 and let's see the output by executing line number 24. Can you see that? Is it exactly same to same with previous one? Yeah, obviously it should be same to same because we have assigned ggplot function to a variable ms underscore plot. Yeah, and then we have used ms underscore plot plus geom underscore point. Can you see this one? Yeah, ms underscore plus point, ms underscore plot plus geom point. And what is this ms underscore plot? Yeah, this one. So in short, you can say instead of writing this whole code with this one, what you have done, you have assigned this whole code to a one variable, and then you going to use this variable to create with the plus symbol to add the points. That is geom underscore point. Got it? So I hope you understand now how to install the package, how to load the package, how can you download the data set from the internet with the help of download.file, how can you save it, where can you save it, okay, and then with the help of read.csv file, how can you read it, and then with the help of read.csv file, how can you read the data set from the internet and store it into the file, into the data frame, okay, and then head, structure, view, with the help of this thing, head, you're going to see 6 observation of the data set, of the data frame, and then the structure, and then the view if you want to view all the data, okay, of your data frame. And then we started with how to plot the ggplot. So first thing is to build a ggplot, you need to bind the plot to the specific data frame. Okay. And then you need to define the aesthetics. So we have defined the aesthetics. And finally, in order to add the geoms, we have used geom underscore point. Okay. Plus geom underscore point. So you can see here. And then we can see the output here. And also, instead of writing the ggplot function inside that contain the data argument and then aesthetics, instead of writing the whole code, you are assigning this code to a variable ms underscore plot, and then you can use this variable. Okay, with if you want to combine this one with geom point, so you can combine it with geom point. That is going to show you the same plot. Got it? Now, what I will do, I will continue with this topic, that is plotting with ggplot2. Okay, in the next session. Okay, so till now we have seen whatever we have seen. I hope you understand that. Okay, so I will continue with this session in our next session. Okay, got it?